after the break. Whenever a festival like Diwali or Eid or Holi is coming up, people rush to Indian fashion stores hunting for the perfect outfit. Many a times you never find what you are really looking for, especially if it's at the last minute. The new fashion store in Dubai has put many such shoppers at ease. Label 24 has a huge variety of exquisite ethnic garments for men and women. And tonight, let's focus on menswear. Label 24 holds renowned international designers under one roof. Some of them, Abdul Haldar, Rohit Kamra, Priya Kataria Puri, Rocky S and Ritu and Vicky from One Chic and many more. This store can grab your attention from afar with its shopping windows displaying beautifully made tunics, dresses in gorgeous color combinations and much more. Tonight, we are showcasing menswear by Ritu and Vicky from their label One Chic. So, from the basic kurta pajama to the most stylish fusion wear and traditional sherwanis and jodhpuris, you can find it all here at Label 24. Established in 1985, One Chic has been dedicated to men's fashion. Right from the beginning, the emphasis has been on style, elegance, quality and fineness. One Chic is a men's fashion empire to the true sense, known for their customized design and cuts to match needs and style. Some of the striking aspects of this collection are fit cuts and knee-length sherwanis that ensure that the overall look makes for a ravishing ensemble.
One Chic, as you're aware, we are dedicated to menswear for the last 20 years. And when we design menswear, we think of the metrosexual man with all his positive sensibilities, with his modern outlook. And keeping that man in mind, that's how we design our collections over and over year again. Well, I'm really proud to be associated with Label 24. I feel it's given a wonderful opportunity to Indian designers to showcase their collection season by season. We concentrate mostly on entire family weddings, and when that comes to it, I must say that we have done a lot of celebrity weddings wherein we've designed the entire wardrobe for the men. And even this season, summer wedding collection is really concentrates on colors and brings out the pastels of the season. We basically deal with very rich Indian textures. We try to bring out the ethnic values of our fabrics. We do not concentrate on embellishments, but quality and richness and texture is what we year in year concentrate on.